It is our job to make the driver app easier, safer, and fairer. And all the products that we will talk about today came from your feedback.
I mean, not only do you get paid $35 million, oh, I'm sorry, it's down 10.71% from last year's earnings. Well, I'm sipping my caramel. And, then he gets to travel the world. So where did he go? He went to Brazil.
Yeah, this is on LinkedIn. Like, take the thing banner off one more time. So this was a video. I captured the video at the correct place. Chris, there's a picture. In the video, there's obviously it shows a video. And Dara says he was in Brazil. He truly met with drivers.
Whoa.
Okay. Like a town hall kind of a thing. I'm like, and he says, no one knows Uber better than the drivers who use it every day. When was the last time Dara has ever said anything like
that? In front of a driver convention.
But this is on LinkedIn now. This is out to the world. Number one.
True.
So I have news that there is a shift inside Uber that they are going to take care of the driver. So now I said,
by taking care of the driver, do you mean getting rid of drivers and going?
No, not getting rid of drivers. Like, treat the drivers better, make support better, get paid better. And so it's a reliable source. However, I said I believe it when I see it, number one. But I went on LinkedIn, which I'm on LinkedIn, and I responded to Dara's video, said, I'll be happy to set up a town hall for you with the US driver community. Handpicked drivers like Uber Crew isn't going to get you what's needed. Real opinions on real time. Dara,
I concur.
Screw SMTMC, screw Chris, screw Harry, screw me, screw everything. I would love to set up a town hall for you or anybody at the top at Uber, Sachin and Andy Mack, and you know who all you are, to do a true town hall where it's not like the Uber Crew meetings where drivers cannot ask questions. It's not live. It's all a kumbaya. I love you. I love Uber. I love this. I love that. Then, Dara, I'll take my hat off to you. And I said, you're the man. Because that would go such a long way with the community, just to sit there and listen. Yes, you're going to take some shit, but just to listen to real drivers, not handpicked ones, it would go such a long way, and I'd be happy to moderate it for you if you want. I won't even ask questions to you. You just sit there and listen to, we'll put 5,000 drivers in a Zoom meeting. It doesn't have to be live. Well, it's going to be live, but you don't have to, move from New York or show up somewhere like you did in Brazil. Let's do one, Dara. Just listen to the real drivers and their concerns. And maybe we can get the ball rolling on this new culture change within Uber, hopefully. And nice. I'm willing to work for you for this one. Free, Dara. I'll set it up for you. I'll get you all the drivers you want.
As long as that's true, or they're trying to do a cultural shift.
We're going to find out
if that's the case. But I think the other way we could look at that is, why not come on the show, have a discussion, as we've always talked about, discussion on different things that are happening within Uber that we could shed light on, because you going out and doing a couple Uber Eats deliveries not going to give you knowledge that people have known for several years when they're on the app, and the ins and outs and the market and the changes and the goalpost shifts, all of these different things that we've talked about. Then on top of it, some of these bugs that we're seeing, these are actual discussion. We're not going to be, we're not going to bite, but it might feel a little chewed afterward, but it's because these are real issues faced and we talked about and need discussed. And I'd rather invite him on here where we have our community as well, and the respectful community that we would want on that aspect. But yeah, I still think, I mean, 200 episodes, I think that's fair enough to come on the show and say what's going on, especially since this is the rideshare community that is the main focus in the US versus going on at Brazil. You know, great for all the Brazil drivers that were able to participate. What's going on in Brazil is not necessarily the same thing that's going on in the US.
Mostly probably going to be the same thing. Obviously, safety in Brazil, obviously, is probably a high, important issue. But he was listening during a meeting with drivers. But I don't think, I think those drivers were vetted. I think it should be an open house, town hall meeting. Anybody can walk in, anybody can ask a question. Because on Uber crew meetings, I've attended 2, wasted my hour and a half each time. You can't even type a question in there. It won't get answered. So that's nothing, means nothing to me. But it would go a long way. It really would, to start doing some of these town halls and just understand what's going on the street level, as opposed to, anything else. And I'm willing to be the mediator. I'm willing to moderate the thing. I'm definitely willing. And so we'll see. I'll send this video to you, Dara. And, we'll see. Maybe you can.
All right. Thanks for watching. That short little clip was from our live stream, Show Me the Money Club with Sergio and myself, Tuesdays, 6 p.m. Eastern, 3 p.m. Pacific. Make sure you subscribe, turn on all notifications so you'll be notified when we go live, as well as all of our awesome content. Make sure to check out this video right here, which will take you to the entire live stream, or check out this video right there. All right, drive smart, everyone.